What's up, guys? So today I'm here to bring you a quick walk around tour of the John Deere 8800 TerrainCut rough mower. This is a 2013 model. I picked this mower up at auction with plans to mow our property up here at the new place. The highlight of this mower is probably the 5 independently floating, hydraulically driven 21-inch decks. These float and contour with the ground very, very well. Minimal scalping, front rollers, 2 front rollers, and then it has a solid rear roller on the back under the flap there. The decks are adjustable. The height to cut range of this machine is 1 to 4 inches. This thing is 4-wheel drive, as you can see, hydraulically driven wheel motors. Pretty impressive machine. Underneath the hood is a 43 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine, so it has plenty of power. We have the rollover protection system. This model is equipped with a canopy to keep the sun off of your head. Pretty impressive machine. One of my biggest gripes about the machine is probably the height to cut adjustment. Like I said, it has 5 decks. Each deck is adjustable from 1 to 4 inch height to cut. But to adjust each deck, it has 4 latches, one on each corner of the deck. And you have to break those latches loose and then adjust the front and the back of the deck independently. So you really, like I said, you have 5 decks, so you're adjusting front and back of each. You've got basically 10 different adjustments, 20 different latches to undo. So it's really a task to get the decks adjusted on this thing. So that's probably my biggest gripe. Moving up here to the operator station, it has a very comfortable seat with an armrest. We'll jump up here. This mower is equipped with tilt steering. It's got a foot latch to move the steering wheel up to get it out of the way and back down to the operator station. Over here on the operator console, we have an armrest. We obviously got the key switch, headlight switch, throttle, PTO engagement to engage the decks, and then this lever is to raise and lower the decks. I picked this machine up with just under 1,500 hours on it, so I just really had to do some general maintenance to get it in condition to mow. Here we have the parking brake. It's actuated with your foot, brake lever and parking brake. Forward reverse pedals. It's a hydraulically driven transmission. So go forward, you push the forward pedal. To go reverse, you push the reverse pedal. So this is a really neat machine. You know, I don't know if it's going to be the best long-term solution for me. As you guys know, I'm used to reel mowing my Bermuda. I think it's going to be a while before I'll be able to reel mow Bermuda here at the new property. So this is kind of a tie me over. Maybe use this in some of the more open areas, but I'm anxious to see how this goes and look forward to sharing more with you guys later.